Hello, in this video I'm going to demonstrate how to use the model number decoder tool. So we'll go to the Proposal Writer 2016 and we'll go to the tool menu and click model number decoder. And what this tool does, I'll minimize this to show you the screen. What this tool does is this breaks down a model number to help you understand what you're looking at, especially if it's not a model number that you're familiar with and different manufacturer or something like that, to make sure that what you're selling the customer is comparable to what's there now. So I've got some model numbers we can do some searches on and see and break them down and show you how it works. So we'll take this first model number here that we found on a piece of equipment and we'll do a search on it. And what this tool does, it breaks the model number down based on the documentation from the manufacturer. So each manufacturer breaks a model number down into sections or segments, and each segment, whether it's one character or 3 characters long, depends on what it means. So if we take this model number here, the brand name of it is Care, and it determines that based off of this model number. So the first segment of it is 2 segments long, and it's the 24, and that 24 denotes an AC unit. And then the next segment of it is A, which is just 1 character long, denotes residential, and the B is for comfort, and the other B is for Puron. So basically it just breaks the whole model number down and tells you what everything is. So this unit is basically a 3.5 ton straight air conditioning unit. So let's clear it and take a look at another model number and see what we come up with this. I'm going to paste this in here. Alright, so this model number is either going to be an American Standard or a Train unit, and it's a 410 Puron unit, and it's a 2-ton split heat pump with a variable speed. It's in the variable speed family, so there's something, probably the condenser fan motor or the compressor is a variable speed. Alright, let's look at one more and see what we got here. Now this unit right here, if we look at it, we want to know what this model number means. This is a Care package unit, and it tells you it's a standard size unit, gas pack, and low NOx, and it's a 2-ton unit. Now if you notice, this model number has dashes in it. Well, in some manufacturers they'll put dashes in their model number, and in their documentation they'll describe those dashes as either not used, or like this dash here shows a standard. And other manufacturers will put a model number in with dashes in it, and we'll put this in and see what this is. And if you'll notice, it's not finding it. Now it's trying to look for variations with, either later revision or something like that, but it's not finding it. So what we have to do in situations like this, if it's not found, one thing we can do is we can remove the dashes and see if that helps the machine locate it. Okay, it found it no problem, and the reason why is because in the documentation for Linux, the dashes that they have in there do have no usage for it. So they only break their segments down into what's actually there, even though the model number will have the dashes. So that's something that you can look at to try to fix it when you're doing your search. In the later program releases, I'm going to try to fix it to where it does this for you automatically. But for right now, that's something to show you the data's in there, but it may not find it. And we'll do one more to take a look at that and see how it turns out. And let's do a search on this. Now this is an Amana Goodman unit, and it lets you know it's a furnace, and it lets you know it's variable speed, comfort net, and it's a 97% efficiency with a 60,000 BTU and a 3-ton drive. This is very valuable information if you're new at it, or if you're looking at a unit that's not the name brand that you sell, to help you understand and do a comparison for comparison sales. So that's how you use the model number decoder, and hopefully later revisions I'll have more data in it that will find even more model numbers. Thanks for watching.